Masters?
Good afternoon.
Yeah. So, what is this?
Smiley.
Do you note something special about this smiley?
Very super.
Huh?
Close eyes.
Very super.
Imaginary. Imaginary smile.
Is it beautiful?
It's very beautiful.
It is related to me also. My name Sushmita means a beautiful smile. A person having a beautiful smile. I don't know whether I have or not, but my name says that. So, I have recently joined Oracle in July 2015, and I am a civil engineer by profession, and I have done my masters in material science, and my profile is very different, and eventually I have landed in a software company. So it means that I am not a specialist, I am a generalist. So I like taking up challenges, and all of us know about a goddess who is known and esteemed as a paragon of feminine virtues and spousal, and she is very much worshipped by Hindu women. She is known for her dedication, self-sacrifice, and courage. Any guesses?
Your mother?
Goddess.
Durga.
She is goddess Sita. Yeah. She was found in a pot on the holy land of Janakpuri. Now this Janakpuri is located in northern Bihar in present day map, and I'm proud to say that I have also born on the same holy place. It is called as Sitamadi. And when I was born, my parents were very happy. They were filled with joy and love because their family was complete now to have a daughter after a son. I was the younger in the family, and hence I was very much pampered. I was taken care by my brother a lot, and since we have only 2 years age difference, we used to fight like anything. And like we were in masters, like we were in together. He was my senior, and due to that, boys hesitated to talk to me, and I enjoyed that period of time very nicely. My mother, she is extremely talented. She makes beautiful rangolis and sweets, and she is also popular here on the second floor.
Eh?
Yeah, she makes very delicious sweets and she gives me to distribute. So this way, she has become very popular. And my father, according to me, he is a perfect personality. He loves me a lot. I'm a lover of music. I keep listening music all the time, and my parents get annoyed by that. I also sing, and maybe because of singing I have developed that love for music. I'm very close to nature, and one of my hobbies include sowing different kind of seeds and watch them grow up. From very beginning, how like they'll germinate, then it will grow up, small leaves will come, and then eventually it will become a nice plant. So all these stages of life is visible when we grow a small plant. And I'm a very spiritual person, and I'm a hardcore devotee of Sai Baba. On the contrary, I like to watch horror movies and also get scared at night when the light goes off. So also I am also scared to stay alone at home. I have joined recently Oracle, and since I have come here, I am in love with the Silicon Valley. The weather here is really awesome. I'm even liking the cyclonic weather that has prevailed from past few days. The drizzle is awesome here. And the traffic is terrific, but I have managed that by living very close by. It takes only 10 minutes to walk to come to office. And I like playing carom and badminton, and in my college days I have also won in carom doubles. I like to make a lot of friends. I don't like to stay alone at home. And when I was a child, I was extremely silent, and it gave attention to my mom whether I'm extremely intelligent or extremely dumb. So the aunties around, they used to give advice to my mom. Please send her out to play with people and play with children. So, but when I grew up, she took a sigh of relief to see that I was a normal person. Still, I am silent, and that's probably a reason that I am here. I want to take this up as a challenge and overcome that. And so finally, I have landed to Toastmasters and overcome this fear. So over to you, Toastmaster.